everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to prep your acrylic brush before use. So as you can see here, I have a brand new brush which needs prepping, and as you can see right at the tip there's starch, so you have to slightly, just gently break it through, don't be too rough, and then you just flick it either side and scrape off with your nail the starch, and you'll be able to feel it as well, because it will feel quite like powdery slightly and gritty. So you just keep doing this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and always remember to be gentle with the bristles as you don't want to bend them. It's always good to prep your acrylic brush, as acrylic can get stuck onto it when you're doing application. And here I get a eyelash brush, or like a spoolie, whatever you call it, and I go through the acrylic brush just to get the extra starch out the acrylic brush. And you just do that for a minute or so. And the next step you want to do is get your dapping dish and pour a little bit of acrylic liquid into there, alongside a touch of acetone. The acetone will get rid of the extra starch that's inside the acrylic brush, and the acrylic liquid will keep the brush from drying out. As you can see, I'm being very gentle with putting my brush into the acrylic liquid, pulling in one direction. As I pat the brush on the paper towel, I'm twirling it into a twirling direction, just to keep the bristles all in one, as you don't want to damage any of the bristles. And you do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. So here I'm wiping out the excess acetone and acrylic liquid from my dapping dish, and I pour in just acrylic liquid, and the same technique as I did before, but with just acrylic liquid. This will put the moisture back into the acrylic brush. Like I do with all my brushes, I do flatten it out and pinch the top before putting it away and ready for use. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.